Hello my friends, welcome back to this exciting dive into the latest space buzz. Today, we are zooming through SpaceX's rapid Booster 19 assembly, from tank sections rolling in to full stack completion, alongside Part 1's playout for epic upgrades. We'll also celebrate Blue Origin's flawless NS-37 mission, NASA's bold new era with Jared Isaacman at the helm, and ULA's smooth leadership handoff amid Vulcan's rise. This update shows space exploration firing on all cylinders. Innovation, teamwork, and big dreams pushing us towards the skies. This and many more to be said on today's episode on SpaceX. My name is Ernest, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive right in. Watch this nighttime footage from La Padre as Booster 19 section. The crown of the methane tank glides smoothly from Star Factory into Mega Bay 1. Cranes lift it with precision, lights casting dramatic shadows on the massive structure. This piece sets the stage for joining with the hot staging ring section soon. It's a key step in rebuilding after previous tests, showing SpaceX's speedy progress. Fans in the space industry are buzzing with anticipation. Pure engineering poetry under the Texas skies. With only a few sections left, excitement builds for full assembly. This rollout highlights how Starbase hums 24/7, turning metal into Mars-bound might. As the tank settles into place, echoing the rhythm of relentless innovation, let's shift our gaze to another corner at Starbase, where old setups makes way for fresh foundations. In this clip, the final large tank at Part 1's deluge zone gets hoisted and hauled away, freeing up space for flame trench decks and new launch mount bays. The forklift maneuvers carefully amid barrels, making the start of a major renovations. It is a quick operation, but it signals big changes ahead a long path. Yet, every move counts. Fans are hyped over the cleared site, sparking curiosity about mount designs. This clear-up isn't just removal, it's rebirth, paving the way for safer, stronger launches. SpaceX's efficiency shines here, transforming yesterday's setup into tomorrow's powerhouse. With the ground now open and ready for transformation, much like a canvas awaiting its masterpiece, we turn to the next lift in this symphony of progress. Here, the sleek CO2 tank from Part 1's deluge area rises gracefully via cranes, its silver surface glaring against the evening backdrop. Workers guide it steadily, a farewell to the old silver minion. This shift continues the site overhaul, essential for upcoming excavations. It's a simple yet vital act, underscoring SpaceX's methodical approach to upgrades. No drama, just pure execution. Cranes humming, barriers standing sentinel. Fans appreciate the glimpses into the grind behind the glory. This moment reminds us that every piece relocated brings us closer to borderless flight. As these tanks depart, carrying whispers of past missions, we flow seamlessly into the arrival of new segments, fueling the build's momentum. Behold the FX3 section arriving at Mega Bay 1 from the Star Factory, kicking off Booster 19's forward stacking. The video captures the rollout and precise positioning, a puzzle piece fitting perfectly. This is what we call stacking at its finest. These deliveries energizes the assembly line, blending tech and teamwork under bright lights. It's a testament to SpaceX's evolution, from concept to colossal boosters ready for the cosmos. From stacking highs that touch the future, we glide to the triumph close of this booster's journey, where completion sparks new possibilities. Cheers erupt as the landing tag jig exits the Mega Bay 1, the sign that Booster 19 is fully stacked. This footage shows the gate's removal, confirming a ship and booster pair rebuilt in just 28 days versus Booster 18's 175 days. It's a record breaker. Testing looms close, fueling anticipation for flames and roars, sniffing out engines trials ahead. This swift build showcases Starbase's redefined process, turning raw sections into launch-ready giants. It's not just metals, it's momentum towards planetary life. With Starbase's stack standing tall like a beacon of human ambition, we soar to Blue Origin skies, where flawless flights rewrite the rules of reuse. Let's relive the NS-37 through this rewind video, where booster controller Greg Frank leads mission control with calm command. The rocket lifts off smoothly, capsule detaches, and both return precisely. Launch, landing, Mission perfect. Space fans hails the team on their reusability reliability. This flight was a showcase of suborbital success, benefiting Earth with data and dreams. Blue Origin's rhythm here inspires, proving space access grows more routine and remarkable. And as Blue Origin's echoes phase through the vast expanse, we pivot to NASA's first chapter, where a new leader charts course to lunar permanence and beyond. In this photos moment, Jared Isaacman takes the oath as NASA's 15th administrator, posed to ignite orbital economies and lunar stays. Amid global competitions, he'll harness top minds for breakthroughs. Space fans buzz with optimism. Private sector edge slashing bureaucracy, claiming space as territory. This worrying signals Americans' renewed space drive, blending science, economy, and exploration. Isaacman's vision promises moon bases and Mars dream realized. From NASA's grounded ceremonies lifting spirits high, we transition to ULA's evolving helm, where changes propel rockets towards uncharted orbits. Lockheed Martin salutes Story Bruno's 12 years ULA tenure as he moves on, welcoming interim CEO John Elbon for Vulcan's milestones. This statement highlights gratitude and forward focus. Fans stress culture's test in transition, praising disciplined cadence. It's a nod to reliability amid change, ensuring Vulcan's accuracy shines. This shift underscores space industry's collaborative spirit, blending legacies with fresh energy for challenging orbits ahead. May the force be with you, Tori Bruno. We thank you for all your hard work at ULA and all the incredible rockets that you built in this course. And we hope that we see ULA build more great rockets in the future. Thank you for staying with us to the end. If you enjoyed the video, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Watch these videos right there. They are my previous uploads and it's a banger. And I'll talk to all of y'all in our next episode. Thank you for staying with us.